Hello and welcome to Unmatched Value. So today we're going to be talking about the best cordless beard trimmer, and this is the one I've selected. I've been testing it for 6 months. The reason I've been testing this, because usually I test products for about a month before I do a recommendation on them, but there was some negative reviews on this one, and I wanted to make sure it actually held up to the promise that the company made, because it has a 2-year warranty, and then it has a 45-day risk-free trial. So this is the Philips Multigroom 3000. It says it comes with 13 attachments, but that includes the baggie that you see here to hold all the beard trimmers, beard guards, and stuff like that. And it includes the charging cable. So yeah, it's actually less, only 11, I guess, technically. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty comfortable to hold, comfortable to use. I've honestly really enjoyed using this. So when I do my research and find a product to recommend, there's several things I look at before selecting a product. First one is obviously user reviews, user feedback, and then so the first thing I looked at when picking this one, aside from user feedback, is the blades. I wanted them to be stainless steel. And this is what they're made out of on this one, stainless steel. Also, I wanted them to be self-sharpening. So the company makes a claim that it'll be as sharp on 2 years after the day you purchase it as the day you purchase it and start using it. And honestly, it's been like slightly over 6 months, and so far I haven't noticed any decline in the sharpness of the blade. So that's pretty good. Another thing I look at, I don't like oiling my razor things, shavers. I never know if I'm putting too much or not enough, and it's just I like that this one you do not need to oil, and they make sure to mention that Walch does require it on here, so that's one thing they really have over them. Okay, so third one is battery life. You want it to last a while if you go on a camping trip or whatever where you don't have access to power. And this one's got an hour battery life. So I mean, technically, I don't know how long you shave, because I usually get my beard and my head all at once. I like a pretty short cut, and it takes me like 5-10 minutes to do that. So if you think about hour continuous use, yeah, that's gonna last you quite a while, especially if you're just trimming your beard. Another thing, they have an option here, 5-minute quick charge. So 5-minute charge gives you a full shave, according to them. And so far that's been what I've seen. As far as accessories go, it really depends on what you need. This one has pretty much everything, nose, ear trimmer, precision blade, a couple, beard guards, stubble guards, hair guards. So it's got pretty much everything, especially for like a cheaper model like this, budget. And something I don't know, you could look at. This might not work for you if you want a wet shaver, wet use. This one's only dry use. The only thing you can do is wash the blade. So that's just something to keep in mind. And another question I've seen asked often is, can you use these for like head? And as I mentioned before, I shave my head with this all the time. It does just fine. Versus a specially designed thing for the head shaving, like hair clippers. So this one, it does just as well. I like it. It's really sharp. It's really smooth. The only thing I guess is this is a little bit shorter than what you usually see when you get the, specifically designed for shaving your head clippers. So yeah, this is a very good product. Like I said, 6 months of use. It's been really good. I'm going to link it down in the description in case you want to, take a look at it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.